on, go, you're on.
This world we still appreciate. You could be my luck. Even in a hurricane of frowns, I know that we'll be safe and sound. We're safe and sound. We're safe and sound.
One.
We're safe and sound. I could show you love in a tidal wave of mystery. You'll still be standing next to me. You could be my luck. Even if we're 6 feet underground, I know that we'll be safe and sound.
Good, now get the ball back off her, Rowan.
We're safe and sound.
Can you find Bella? Tackle Grace. Good, now Grace, find space and then try and get the ball to Elizabeth. Good girl, now get it back off her. Find space to get off her.
I could lift you up. I could show you what you wanna see and take you where you wanna be. You could be my luck. Even if the sky is falling down, I know that we'll be safe and sound.